Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. आज मेरे साथ है एक boxer and she's been placed, by the way, not a professional one, but she loves to do that stuff. With 3 years of working, she chose Wellinger and she's got an international placement, by the way. Pravanshi, welcome on board. Would love to understand your story. Where are you from and how did you land in Wellinger, Mumbai?
Sure. So I am from Bhilai, Chhattisgarh.
और ये boxing का भी बता देना जो ये मारपीट जो.
Yeah. So starting from, I did my graduate. I'm a BTech in computer science from KIT University Bhubaneswar, and then I landed up in Cognizant through campus placement, and then I worked with Cognizant for around 3 years, and then I decided to go for a course which is very much related to computer science. And which is also giving me the knowledge of a touch of business with it, and hence I decided to go for RBA.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I did a primary research kind of thing to understand.
But तुम्हें नहीं लगा, sorry to cut you, तुम्हें नहीं लगा कि यार 3 साल का work से मेरा, you've got a great profile, right?
Yeah.
Why would 3 साल के बाद get settled for Wellinger, or probably then look out for bigger brands, or probably go international, बाहर जाके MBA वगैरह करो. Can you give me a bullet points, like 1, 2, 3 pointers which you felt that okay, you know what, I think this can be a really good option for me?
Yeah, so actually the bullet points would be, very first thing would be the networking part. Like I am getting to know many big shots here, like the CEO and the GM and all of many different industries.
Okay.
And so there I'm getting a connect of how industry is dealing with the business point of view. And hence I decided to go for MBA because the technical knowledge was there with me, and I really wanted to grow towards the business part.
Okay, fair enough. So so it's only because RBA you chose Wellinger. So yeah. RBA was your main focus.
Yes.
कि मुझे इसी program में जाना है.
Yep.
What is so special about RBA apart from people getting good placement?
Yeah, so RBA is giving like the subjects that they are teaching here would be Python, statistics, advanced statistics, machine learning, predictive analytics, text analytics, and Excel, advanced Excel. Along with that, we are getting the knowledge of operations, supply chain, then financial management, marketing management. So it is a good mix of computer science and technology and business. Which
also goes with your profile anyway.
Yeah, exactly.
Perfect. So can you give us a little idea, what sort of profile you got into? I think इनका जो salary है, that's around about 1 lakh dirham per year.
Yeah.
In INR, that's 24 lakhs per annum, right?
Yeah.
Tax वैक्स तो लगेगा नहीं आपको?
No.
पैसा है, सब बैंक में आ रहा है. मजे ही मजे. ठीक है, cool है. So tell me, from a small town, now going international, how does it feel here? And what's the profile also?
Yeah, so my profile is supply chain management trainee.
Good.
And I was a operations student here, so I was looking for that profile only. I mean the core operations part. So I did my summer internship also in supply chain. That was in Tata Chemicals.
Nice.
So yeah, I had that edge of operations. So hence I got this profile, and moving from small town to international. I mean. I really roamed around pretty much all the places in India, like during my work when I was working, and so I was not ready to explore outside, but this is a very good opportunity I feel, so that I can learn more, and then I can come back to India and I can learn from outside, and I can inculcate some things here in Indian industries.
Your parents happy?
Yeah.
Allow कर दिया जाओ करके.
After this took to the package and all, and then just.
But तूने सोचा था कभी कि when you were shifting to Mumbai, Wellinger sort of a B school, इतना लंबा jump लेंगे life में, कभी था दिमाग में?
I never thought about it. I mean, I was like, I need to get a placement more than 15 lakhs. I cannot settle for less because I had a work ex.
Right.
So yeah.
हाँ, मतलब वर्क एक्स वालों को होता है कि मुझे 15-16 तो मिलना चाहिए, so that I justify.
Exactly.
तो तुम्हारा ROI तो निकल गया पूरा का पूरा.
Yes.
1+ हो गया ROI. Perfect है. What sort of peer group you have in Wellinger? Because 3 साल का वर्क एक्स जब होता है, मोस्टली बोला जाता है, ये मार्केट का परसेप्शन है जो मेरी नजर में गलत है ऑनेस्टली, कि 3 साल के बाद यू विल स्ट्रगल फॉर योर प्लेसमेंट, एंड देन आपके सामने बैठी है जिसको इंटरनेशनल प्लेसमेंट लगा है. आई ऑल्सो इंटरव्यूड अ स्टूडेंट, हर नेम इज वैष्णवी. Even she is with 3 years of work ex, even she got a very good placement. तो ये मिसकंसेप्शंस होते हैं मार्केट में जो मुझे लगता है कि आपको ध्यान नहीं देना चाहिए. इफ यू हैव इट इन यू, यू कैन fortify. Coming back to you, how's the peer group यहाँ पे? Like WorkX वाले बंदे, freshers ज्यादा है WorkX. How is it?
So there was a mix. When it comes to RBA, there was a complete 50-50 mix of freshers and WorkX people. So I used to hang out with both kind of like peers because I get to know about the perspectives of how freshers are thinking and how an experienced guy is thinking. So we are getting a knowledge, like if any topic is going on in the class, so we are getting the perspective of how a fresher is thinking and how experienced guy is thinking. So,
एक क्वेश्चन मैं पूछना चाहूंगा. बहुत सारी लड़कियां होगी इंडिया में जिनको एक बड़ी उड़ान चाहिए लाइफ में, है ना? They want to get out of their homes. They want to get out of their house and do something bigger in life. You're an inspiration to them.
Okay.
Any piece of advice for those girls?
I mean, believe in yourself, and that is very important. And carry yourself very well, confidently, and you can nail it. I mean,
वो कहते हैं ना कि पहुंचना है तो घर से निकलना पड़ेगा भाई मेरे.
निकलना पड़ेगा,
है ना? तो वो करना जरूरी है. And would you recommend Wellinger to students who've got 2-3 years का WorkX वगैरह?
I mean, if you're getting into RBA, 1000% I'll suggest.
अच्छा, बाकी कोई प्रोग्राम नहीं. बाकी
because I'm from RBA, so I'm like inclined towards it.
Understood. Understood. नहीं, I think मेरे ख्याल से that's how people perceive tier 2 B schools कि यार पता नहीं होगा. So if you work hard, if you have that hustle culture, मेरे ख्याल से you'll be sorted.
Yeah.
What's up with the boxing thing, by the way? Did not answer that.
Oh yeah, actually, so I was a very non-sporty kind of person since childhood.
Okay.
And so I got into gym and all when I was studying my graduation. And then for losing weight only, I started boxing, and then I got that kick. So I'm a fitness freak. So I run marathons. I do gym. I do boxing. Like if I'm not in class, then I'm surely in gym. So that is how my lifestyle is.
Perfect. Thank you so very much for giving some time. And I hope guys ये वीडियो आपको थोड़ा सा इंस्पायर कर दिया होगा definitely. So do hit that like button and follow us for more. Thank you so much.